For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the update on Hurricane Laura. This is the hurricane season for the Atlantic Ocean. Also, even the Pacific Ocean also, this is the typhoon season for that, and both the sites, they're very active at the moment. Laura is in Atlantic Ocean and it is heading for the Louisiana and Texas states of US. At the moment it's in the Gulf of Mexico and speeding to reach the coast possibly in about 24 to 30 hours time. Before we see the system as such, let's see how the hurricane looks like. As we see, the systems are monsters. They are the huge systems. Any hurricane can have the energy to the tune of about 50 terawatts, which is much more than even a couple of nuclear bombs put together. That's the amount of energy which one hurricane carries. And that is over the sea, rotates, churns, and this is how it looks like from the space, from the top, from the satellite. When we see, this is how it looks. Because of the strong winds churning inside, it's having a huge amount of centrifugal force which is throwing the clouds in the inner ring outward, and that is how there's almost a hollow from top. It could be very little clouds, thin clouds, or nearly hollow also from top, as we see it here, because of those strong winds and the huge amount of force which is there. And thereafter, the inner ring and the outer ring, there are large towering wall clouds which have a tremendous amount of energy, and the torrential rains can be given with these cloud walls. And then the peripheral of these storms, they extend even to about more than 500 kilometers away on either side. That is the area of expansion which the hurricanes they have to affect over land as such. Now, this is the system which I have seen earlier now, and we have the track of this particular system, Laura, which is there at the moment, hurricane. See, at the moment this storm is somewhere here, okay, somewhere gone past this point also, and earlier the storm had even damaged a couple of countries, including Jamaica, Cuba. It has gone past the Caribbean at the moment, and presently it's somewhere here and heading northwestward. From there it should be recurving and heading almost northward, approaching Louisiana and Texas coast. This is the border, and it should be keeping Houston to the left of the track when it makes a landfall. Landfall, as I said, should be Thursday early morning, that is the US Eastern time. Okay, it's almost about more than 24 hours from now. This is the place where it is striking, and it is striking as a Cat 3 hurricane. Before making a landfall, it is strengthening. Become Cat 3 means it's in excess of 175 km per hour. Cat 3, they have the potential of 178 to about 208 km per hour wind speeds they are associated with. Also, these storms, they have capable to have the storm surge in excess of about 15 feet, and that is how the strong winds, torrential rains, storm surge of the order of about 15 feet or so, this has the potential to inundate a large area, entire coastline. Actually, this evacuation has been ordered from here. Nearly 5 lakh people have been told to evacuate this area, to go to safer places. This particular storm reminds also us of an earlier one which had come in 2005. If you remember, Rita was the hurricane which had caused a huge amount of damage. 2.5 billion, $25 billion cost of the storm had cost the exchequer. And in addition to that, there was a large devastation. Similar potential is with this particular storm, and it is heading towards the coast now. We have just about 24 hours, and then that is the time when we take security measures. Utmost caution is to be observed, and this storm, even when it goes inside, it will have sufficient force, sufficient potential to impact the inland areas also. So therefore, it's advisable to evacuate from either side of this track of the particular system. This is the update for this storm from the Skymet. We give you an update of this in a subsequent 24 hours. Thank you very much for watching Skymet. Keep watching for further information.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.